What's up, Snoop? What's up? Perfect timing. Like I was saying the other day, like Snoop, dude, you're getting to see a first timer. This thing is like a really awesome warrior. He's got this freaking thing right here. And it just whoosh. Literally, this guy is powerful. I haven't seen him. It's like half animal, half man. I kind of see where that could come from. But anyway, this thing's got this, I don't know what it is. I'll look it up, see what he does. We'll go back and check it out in a second. Let's see what it's doing. This thing doesn't usually come to the sunset. That's what's strange. It's like, it's just a stick. It's like, I don't know. But it looks like it's pointed it over here. That might be it, actually. It's a warrior. That's what's up, though. Perfect song. Some of my gangsters over here. What's up? Yeah, that's pretty strong. That is pretty strong. Is it cool if I give you a shout out? What's up? Sorry, that was a laugh. Somebody that's cool. You like cool people. Y'all should get thanks.